In this video, we are going to be looking at the quickest way to solve this equation. Okay, so in the previous video I made, it was just focused on finding the real value of x that satisfy equations of this form. But in this video, we are going to look at the quickest way to find all the values of x that satisfies this equation. In case you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you find this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, as it goes a long way to help me make more content like this. Okay, so feel free to try out this question, but without any further ado, let's dive into the solving. So the first thing we are going to do is factorize the left hand side. So when we do that, we have x squared into 1 minus x is equal to, we have here 12. Next, we are going to find two factors that multiplies to give us 12. We are looking at two factors because on the left hand side here we have a product of x squared and 1 minus x. So two factors that multiplies to give us 12 are, we have 1 times 12, we have 2 times 6, and we have 3 times 4. So you have to note something. On the left hand side, one of them is a perfect square. So the one that matches our result is 3 times 4. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite these as x squared into 1 minus x is equals to, so I'll write 4 times 3 just to suit the format here. Now by comparison, I'm going to say that x squared is equal to 4, and the other factor is 1 minus x is equal to 3. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use the comparison on the left hand side here to find the values of x. Then I'm going to use this other factor here, the other comparison here, to check for the true value of x. So here I have that x is equals to plus or minus the square root of 4, where x is equals to plus or minus 2. Now let us find the true value of x. Now if x is equals to positive 2, so that will make this 1 minus 2, which will give us minus 1, and which is not the same thing as 3. So x is equals to 2 is not the right answer. What if x is minus 2? So we have that to be 1 plus 2, which is equals to 3. So we can say that x is equals to minus 2 for one of the values of x. Now we have to find the remaining values of x. Remember, we have a degree 3 polynomial here. Okay, so what we are going to do here is, I'm going to rewrite that equation. So we had x squared minus x cubed is equal to 12. So I'll rewrite this such that I have 0 on the left and on the right hand side. So that will be x cubed minus x squared plus 12 is equal to 0. Now with this, we had that x is equals to minus 2, meaning that x plus 2 is a factor, right? X plus 2 is a factor. So what we are going to do here is, we are going to divide this expression on the left hand side by this factor. So if we do that division, here is what we get. So we are going to have x cubed minus x squared plus 0x, just to fill in the gap, plus 12. Then we are going to divide that by x plus 2. Factor that goes here is x squared, so that will be x raised to the power of 3 plus 2x squared. We subtract this, we get minus 3x squared plus 0x plus 12. Then the factor here is going to be minus 3x. That multiplies it to give us minus 3x squared minus 6x. When we subtract this, we have 6x plus 12. Now we can see that plus 6 will go here without a remainder. Okay, so now we have that this expression on the left hand side can be broken down to x plus 2 times the quotient was x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So from here, By comparison, we can say that x plus 2 is equals to 0, which is the same thing as minus 2 we had here. Or we can say that x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so we will use quadratic formula to solve this. We have that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 6. So when we apply quadratic formula, that will be minus b minus minus 3 plus or minus the square root of b square minus 3 square minus 4. A is 1 and c is 6 all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So this is 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 minus 24 all over 2. So simplify this to have 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 15 all over 2. So we can now say that this is x is equals to 3 plus or minus, this is a complex number, so we'll be having root 15i, or you can say I root 15 anyone all over 2. So from here we can say that the three values of x are x is equals to minus 2, or you can say 3 plus root 15 I divided by 2, or we can say that 3 minus root 15 I divided by 2. So that is how to solve this equation. In case you find this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up, as it goes a long way to help promote this video and help me make more content like this. Okay, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.